Now this step is to install the software. First, open S053 folder in the USB flash drive and select Arduino 1.8.5 software to install. If Arduino 1.8.5 or above version is already installed, it is not necessary to install it. After finishing installing Arduino software, select Setup in Manufacture folder for installation. If Setup application cannot be installed, select Manufacture Installer application for installation. After installation, connect the USB cord to the printer and computer. Open Manufacture, select the COM port, and click the Connect button. Copy and paste the serial code in S053 folder after the connection is complete, and click Validate. The system will show Welcome to Manufacture after installing successfully.